Kubli pi baro kani ka kubor bat jingpun bana ka bakirki shabaro ki candidates khamtam ki applicants ki bala long eligible na ka benta ka physical measurement test but kumjuru ka physical efficiency test jong ka Meghalaya Police lane ka MLP te hangni ngan pule yapi ini ya notification kebala yo longba ka office of the chairman kata Central Recruitment Board Meghalaya Police Shillong haga khatrik November aja apsaw. I will read in English first for those who could not understand in Khasi language, especially Garo peoples. Please listen carefully. This is an announcement for you. It has been brought to the notice of the Central Recruitment Board, or CRB, Meghalaya Police, that several university, board, college examination may clash with the scheduled dates for the physical efficiency test, that is the PT. In light of this, all candidates who face issue with their exam schedule and the PT dates are advised to approach the Physical Efficiency Test Center in charge where they have been allotted for physical efficiency tests and submit an application as per Central Recruitment Board format along with the following documents. Number one, a Xerox copy of the physical efficiency test admit card, and number two documents, a Xerox copy of the admit card for the relevant university, board, college examination, and number three, a Xerox copy of examination schedule issued by the university, board, and college. Upon receipt of the application, the Central Recruitment Board will give an alternative physical efficiency test dates and center as per the convenience of the Central Recruitment Board. Please note that the candidates are permitted to change their physical efficiency test date only once, provided the request is based on valid reasons. Requests for multiple changes to the physical efficiency test date will not be entertained. Last date for acceptance of application for change of physical efficiency test dates and center will be 18th of November 2024. For further information and clarification regarding admit cards, physical efficiency tests, dates, etc., candidates are advised to contact the Central Recruitment Board office or helpline number 6033164273 during office hours on working days. Those and these are the following announcement came from the Meghalaya Police Shillong. So nakabanta ki candidates lani ki applicants ki bade na po ka state Meghalaya pade kalongumne lada ka longumne namar ba hakini ki tarik ki ba nagleng joka Meghalaya Police kalabu ban pendep ya ka physical efficiency test kan ya tengku bat ki exam ba per ki bala penyai leng ba ki school ki college bat kumjuru university di nagata-kataw nagliang jongka Meghalaya Police Recruitment Board kala pentip syabaro ki candidates lada pietengku bat ki exams uh, kerdan lene ki kelas ki bahap hapo ki school college bat universities ki jumpi ba pi pidang continue subha ban late ban submit ya ki documents jumpi nang ba nagliang jongka office kan nang ban kendria ya ki tarik iban sa pendap ya ka physical efficiency test. Ikan mau ha ra ya kini ki documents na kamenta ban pen kan ria ikitarik yo le se pia tengku bat ketika PET bat ka exam ke jungpi ra kini ki documents ka zero copy jong ka physical efficiency test admit card ka bayo na ka Central Recruitment Board Meghalaya Police na ka zero copy ka admit card jong ka university lane ka school college jongpi ka ba phi habban le cho exam but kabalai ka badai ka examination schedule lane ka bangila abanong ru ka routine exams ka badai ka zero copy ka badai jong ka university lane board but college ka ba phi le te khnang ba nagleng jong ka Meghalaya Police kan la ban penbet renti ya ka date bat ka center ka ba pihak ban le na ka benta ka physical efficiency test bat shishuru along hane ba nalor ke te ki jingpon bana le ne ki documents ki ba pihak ban ra ki ki Kas Central Recruitment Board ka ailat tang shisin ban pan kala ya ke tarik bat ke center ka ba pihak ban pendep ya ke te ka physical efficiency test ndrei ban pan kala bun sin ki num sha bat ki num pediang hiru te kan mawe shisin ba pihak ban kala pihak ban pendep ya ke te ha ke te hi ke tarik ka ba pihak dep ban bu ti kata ka dei ke jingpun bana ka ba don kambat ka ba kerki ka balawan leng ba ka Meghalaya Police but ke last date ban submit ya kita ki application na benta ban penkelai kita rik jong ka physical efficiency test kan dei hadu ka khat pratrik November ajar arpsau ya lagar pat ya ki candidates borok semua ban shim ya kene kalat kabu lada phia tengku bat ki exam ki jong phi late no ban penkela lani phila aru ban shufun ha kita ki number ke hakapur trikam jong ka office hours kata u number bade driu not lai lai iwe driu sau ar nhiều lai nong biang driu not lai lai iwe driu sau ar nhiều lai thì pila ban phun ni kete ban pentik kena le ne pen sisa hatu kalong ne em ban pen kala ya terik bat ke centers ke ba pihak ban pendep ya ketika physical efficiency test telada pidang temai ha ke video bat ke channel ke jonga sumba ba pin share like and subscribe na ka bentai ki wei pa de ki jingpon bana ki ba don kam ba wan leng ba silva official hak wei de bat ki employment news ta katai publish shubun